Yo, know the brother, yeah?
Stone. Kingman there.
Yo, King man.
Stone. I walk one. Stone. You're sure of this you want to do?
Yo, King man. Darkness me happy right now. No? Instead of you doing them call it this. Yeah, I'm forced to job in them to take the money in the school bad man. Yeah, you know I think that.
Well, you
See me
say.
idea.
But hold on. Brother. It is never you.
That's
It is a father, you know. That not sound right.
Brother, enough man of youth on the wrong thing, you know. He made for boss.
Stone. I want to talk to you, you know, brother. Just go and hold it and give me 5 minutes of your time. You hear that? That's not too much for you ask.
Five minutes, sir.
5 minutes.
Yo, Stone, now where the pan, brother? No operation for go pan.
He who is without sin, cast the first stone.
Yo, Chopper. Hold it, brother.
You have to know when to chill, you know.
King man, where you say I go on there? Come have some urgent matter for attend to you.
Breathe easy, Stone. Let us not be rush. Because right now I come for see you because I have some big plans to develop this community and all of them round it. You understand? But when we see you to go on there, so, that can't go on. Especially not now. Remember, you know, it was like your brother. Eat out of the same box. So what, man?
So King man, you know, hear me I tell you, brother. It is of the youth them in the school that take Mali. So hear me I do.
Yo, bad man, something just not sit right with me. You hear that? And the plans we me have for implement right now, we can't afford for this one to mess it up. So here we go. I beg you, give me a day or two. Let's figure something. Because as a matter of fact, me remember the last time me and hit this reason, you know, that subject about Mali come up, you know, and then it get really corrupt, you know, and bring up him own daughter, you know. So, all being said, me just not see it this way then. So give me a day or two.
King man, you ask you 2 days. 48 hours that thing.
Yeah, man.
See after that King man, Old Stone gang a dark up the place.
$48.
One King.
Long live the king.
Yo, come up and dog them.
Joke thing this, you know.
Yo, pull over. You know you're not from the boy chopper.
No, you know. I'm like the boy going hiding.
You know me not trust that boy. I need to know him every move.
So I go one. You feel like him still a link with Stone them?
I don't put it past him. As what I say, know him whereabouts every movement.
Celeste father. One talk, you hear that?
What go on, Elder?
Nothing now. Wow, it's a private bar. It look like them all time span glass door. Sure you're there at the right place? You sure you're there at the right place?
Yeah, vicious. Active. Wagwan King man.
We need for talk. You hear that?